friends Ravi and Mohan are sitting on a park bench during sunset. Ravi stares blankly at the sky. He turns to Mohan and says that life feels as if it's just slipping away. Every day seems the same, meaningless, dull, and exhausting. He admits he doesn't even know what he's doing anymore. Mohan smiles and tells Ravi that life is all about how one chooses to take it. Ravi nods slowly and says, maybe that's true, but he still doesn't know what he wants. Everyone around him seems to be doing something with purpose while he just feels lost. Mohan explains that it's because he's trying to live their life, not his own. He tells Ravi to acknowledge his real self, to stop running away or shying away from it. Acceptance is a rare virtue. Not everyone has the courage to accept who they really are. Ravi looks at him and says quietly, easy to say, but what if I fail? Mohan says, then fail. But fail while being you. He reminds Ravi that he's here to be himself, to do what he truly wants, not what his peers or society expect. He urges him to recognize his calling, his dreams, and the things that make him feel alive. To enjoy the small, beautiful moments life brings and to stay real. Ravi asks, and what if I can't figure it out yet? Mohan replies, it's not always necessary to find meaning or purpose all the time. Just live. Live beautifully first. That itself is the first purpose. Keep exploring and you'll eventually find things that hold meaning for you. But don't stress too much about purpose or direction right now. First, learn to live freely without the baggage. He adds that Ravi shouldn't waste time seeking validation or living by others' standards. This is his journey and no one else will walk it for him. After a long pause, Ravi looks down and whispers, so I'm the problem? Mohan nods slightly. Maybe, but remember you're also the solution. He explains that not everyone gets the chance to truly understand life. Most people just follow a copy-pasted pattern and call it living. But there's no single right way to live. Everyone is different in thoughts, dreams, and heart. Mohan tells him to do it his own way. To be someone who adds a little happiness to the world. Because there is already enough pain. He asks Ravi to promise himself that he will celebrate each day in his own way. Ravi smiles and says, I'll try my best. Mohan smiles back and says, that's the spirit. Remember, you are your problem and you are your only solution.